Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're here with my lovely friend Helen, and she's allowed me to record this fill. Normally, I struggle a lot with Helen. Today we're going to demonstrate how her lashes are very different than your average client that may have perfect lashes. So which would be straight upward, just the right amount of thickness. Well, that's not the case here. Helen's lashes, they seem to grow in different directions. So I will demonstrate. Hold on just a second. Right here. Here she has some going sideways because they grow different directions, like I said. So here we have some examples, and I will be doing a removal, and here I want to demonstrate here. She has a few that just curl. I don't know if you can tell. Are you zooming in? And yes, at the beginning of the fill, I do feel discouraged, and I don't feel like I will live up to the standards. But I definitely am impressed every time after we get done with our session. So I definitely wanted you guys to watch. So this is what I'm talking about. Don't know if you guys have experienced this, but definitely it is a challenge, but it can be done. I want to show you ladies, because the hairs are so fine, it's trying to capture it. So it'll be very hard to capture this. ¿Sí lo puedes ver? Okay, so first of all, we'll try to do the ones around it, because it can be very difficult. Do this. This one, well, it's dry now. We'll tackle this little one that's right next to it. Let that dry, see if it's on there good. Doesn't have much attachment, so I'm gonna have to get it from the side. So where it'll make the most connection. So you see how I laid it on side, from the side. You have to kind of moisten it with more adhesive than normal. That way it can actually grip. So you babysit that, and you move on to the next. If there's anything here that's gonna go, oh yeah, there's two. There's actually two right here. Okay, so this is all because of false shedding. So we want to make sure that we treat every hair as important as any other normal size lash. Just putting less weight on it. We don't want to skip around, or else she's gonna have gaps. there will determine how much weight each can have. I'm gonna like tag them all because this one's already like, okay, mommy, can you, oh, you know what, I'll just keep it rolling. That was too heavy for that one. So what I'm trying to do here is just tag every hair. Let's start with this one, because this one, can you see? Okay.
People like natural diamonds fall over time. When the time is right, you too will continue a legacy. Only natural diamonds to treasure now and forever.
You need a break for the mask?
No, okay.
Good. Just do a couple more on this side and then we'll just shut it off. Oh man. good head off already. Okay. Looks cool. Okay, so over here, let's see. So this is the area where all the curly hair, the hair was growing just in curls. So I'm trying to figure out what else we can do here, and I think this one's a good candidate. You see how that one's intertwining here? Just kind of sneak this in here and try to make the most connection possible. I think there's another one here. Yeah, there is next to it. So we'll let that dry. Great. One more here and then we're done. Make sure it's on the right. Cool, straight up. All right, perfect. So you can keep the camera there. No, keep the camera, and then so we'll put my nano mister and kind of check it out. Maybe since this one had less extensions, what I'll do is I'll comb this out and then see if I have to branch over here on the left. Just maybe a couple to kind of give it the density that it needs. And then voila. Oh wait, I see a couple here, I think. Let's see. Okay, don't be too harsh since they are curly. Wait, hold on just a second. I see a couple here, so I might want to get those right now. But yeah, these are super dense. I'm gonna add a couple over here. Okay. Maybe like do a couple here. Actually, I'm gonna get my other tweezers. I'll just do this one. And this one too. Alright. Okay, so I'll branch a couple over here, which I totally have a couple in mind. Okay, so this is the method called branching. So I just swooped up next to it, and then you just kind of hold it and see if it's so if it's strong enough, we leave it. If it starts drooping, it'll be too much weight, so we will take that off. Now look for another one to branch. Maybe something stronger. Okay, there's a couple there. Maybe not so heavy. Okay. Let's do this one right here. And we'll swoop up. I don't know if you can see. Put a little more glue. Perfect. As long as it makes connection, it'll be just fine. I think those should be enough. Okay. So let me just so I've switched up the tape from the NextCare extra sensitive skin tape to this one because it's a lot cheaper. All you lash ladies know that prices are going up, so you gotta do what you gotta do. It works fine. Did you feel the difference, Helen?
No.
No? Cool. And it did the job, you know? So we'll see how this looks. So looks good. Just make a volume, and then we'll. Sometimes I like to check underneath, see if everything is good. Everything looks good. Wait. Oh. Okay, let's see if we can get that, capture that. All right, cool.